Hello, thanks for joining us for today's video guide on the 3D PDF tool within Vertex BD. This is an optional extra within the software, however it can be very useful as it enables you to open a model of the project you're working on in a PDF reader. To begin, ensure the model to be output is active, as both the architectural and framing models can be output to 3D PDF. Once you are happy with that, simply select File, Save As, choose the necessary location to save in, and then choose the file name as desired, and file type as Adobe Acrobat Document, PDF. Once selected, hit the Save button, and you will then be presented options to select the required views for your PDF. Here you can select views as required, as well as add more views utilizing the Insert option. Once you've chosen your required views, select OK and your 3D PDF will be created. You can then open your 3D PDF in a PDF viewer such as Adobe Reader. When you open your 3D PDF, you'll have a static image displayed. Click the image to activate the 3D model. With the model then activated, you have a variety of options available for you. You can manipulate the model and rotate it to have a look at different angles of it. And via the right click menu, you can utilize options such as the 3D measurement tool. Simply select the line to measure and place the measurement as required. There are a variety of views available to select here via the drop-down box based on your selections when exporting from BD. The model tree menu works in a similar fashion to BD in that it enables you to toggle on and off a variety of different geometry types. Check out our channel for many more helpful guides and videos on our software, and thanks for watching.